my dear sister brothers, how are you? I hope you are well. Shalom. Today I have a message from a God that God given me that we share with you. Genesis chapter 9 verse 22-27. When I was reading it, that God put into my heart about what God said, how we honor to parents. And Noah began to be a farmer, and he planted a vineyard. Then he drank of the wine and was drunk and became uncovered in his tent, and Ham, the father of Canaan, saw the nakedness of his father and told his two brothers outside, but Shem and Joseph took a garment, laid it on both their shoulder, and went backward and covered the nakedness of their father. Their focus were turned away, and they did not see their father's nakedness. So Noah awake from his wine, and now that his younger son had done to him, then he said, "Cursed be Canaan, and servant, servant of servants he shall be to his brother." And he said, "Blessed be the Lord, the God, Sam, and may Canaan be his servant. May God enlarge Joseph, and may he dwell in the tent of Shem, and may Canaan be his servant." My dear sisters and brothers, in the Bible, God said how we honor to our parents. When I was reading this scripture, that God gave me this verse and put into my heart, that when Noah planted a vineyard and then he drank of wine and was drunk and become uncovered, because he doesn't have the sense in drunk. In uncovered is done means his dress, and Ham, the father of Canaan, saw the nakedness of his father. He saw and called his two brothers, and his two brothers came into the room and said, Shem and Joseph took a garment and laid it in both their shoulders. And the both two brothers, the went back and what covered the nakedness of their father. Their focus were turned away, and they did not see their father's nakedness. Means we need to respect our parents, mother, father, if they did something we need to cover them, and we need to don't expose their mistake to with others, because God said honor them in any condition, that God will bless us if we respect and honor to our parents in any condition. If they did anything wrong, but God command is respect them, then God bless us and prosper us. Let's see verse 25. Then he said, then he said, cursed be Canaan, a servant of servant, he shall be to his brothers. So Noah wake from his wine. Then he said, and he said, blessed be the Lord, the God of Shem and Japheth. May Canaan be his servant. My dear sister and brothers, God always gives us this command to respect our parents and forgive to anyone if they did anything wrong. We don't allow to go others and explain anything about our parents, because God said honor them any condition and respect them. Noah, his two sons, covered them and did not see his nakedness, because when he was drunk, he was nakedness, and his two sons did not see his nakedness. He covered and put their on shoulder and turned away, and they did not see their nakedness. Matthew chapter 15 verse 4. For God commanded, saying, honor your father and your mother, and he who curses father or mother, let him be put to death. In this verse also God gave us command that saying, honor your father and mother. He who curses for father and mother, him to put the death. This is a punish. We don't do honor father and mother. If we say anything wrong for them, God will kill us. Ephesians chapter 6 verse 2. Honor your father and mother, which is the first commandment with promise. If we do honor with our parents, God did promise for us. He will give us long life, because He did promise with us. Exodus 20 verse 12. Honor your father and your mother, and that your days may be long upon the land which the Lord your God is giving you. And God did promise with us if we do honor to our parents. God bless us, give us a long life, because God promised. God bless you. Thank you.